It's week 14, the NFL on CBS. We join you today from Pittsburgh. The Dolphins and the Steelers. Potential playoff implications at stake here. Roethlisberger. Protection holds initially. And Roethlisberger thrown down. Soliai first man. Starks with the finisher. Three receivers set up with Brown, Sanders, and Cotchery. Roethlisberger to throw it. Looking downfield, Roethlisberger on a crossing route. Brown out of bounds, short of a first down. Five receivers set. Tannehill out of the gun, gets rid of it quickly. Almost intercepted. Polamalu would have had an easy pick six for Pittsburgh. Shotgun for Tannehill. Steps up. Tannehill thrown down. Cameron Hayward. The light has come on for Hayward in his third year from Ohio State. Quarterbacks. Or get drafted by San Diego. That's another option.
That worked for me.
Give it to Bell. Stutter step. And our first down of the day comes on the ground. It's a 9-yard pickup. First down at the 46 now in Miami territory. Play action. Roethlisberger. Wide open. Miller. Inside the 25. 3rd and 6 now for the Steelers. Moving pocket. It's a flip. Le'Veon Bell, the catch and run. First down, Steelers. Pittsburgh looking to get on the board here. From the gun, Roethlisberger throws. End zone. Touchdown. He connects with Sanders. Steelers take the lead. And for Ben Roethlisberger, he is now the Steelers' all-time leader in career touchdown passes. But teams have had success going deep against them this season. 2nd and 10. Miller straight up the middle for Pittsburgh. 3rd and 3. Shotgun Tannehill. Tannehill steps up. Tannehill gets the first down. First down of the day for the Miami Dolphins. They trail 7-0, under 3 minutes to go. First quarter. Tannehill. Ryan Tannehill. It's an all-out sprint. Out of bounds. Ike Taylor giving chase. And Tannehill, 7th play of the drive. This is a 3rd and 9. Hartline, the motion man. Out of the gun. Tannehill dumps it off underneath for Miller. And he's stacked up. Out of bounds. Big hit from Cameron Hayward. Caleb Sturgis, rookie out of Florida. Sturgis knocks it through. Miami with points on the board. 7-3. Steelers in front. 40 seconds to go in the first. Steelers haven't had back-to-back non-playoff seasons since '99 and 2000. Roethlisberger loses the ball. Dolphins jumping over. Wake knocked it free. And they'll have to peel off the pile. Looked like Miami came away with it, though, on first glance.
Now Cameron Wake, 7.5 sacks now and another forced fumble.
Daniel Thomas in the backfield. Clay in front of him. Tannehill throws to Mike Wallace, his first catch against his former team, covered by Cortez Allen on the play. And here's the reaction from the crowd. Daniel Thomas now in his 3rd year out of Kansas State. Physical inside runner. Tannehill on the out route to Wallace. Out of bounds.
I'm not sure why.
2nd and goal for the Dolphins. Tannehill. Wide open. Charles Clay. Touchdown, Miami. What a season Clay has put together. And the chemistry between him and Tannehill has been evident. They score off of the Pittsburgh turnover. Not quite as steady as it was earlier. 3rd and 3 for Pittsburgh. Roethlisberger dials up the deep ball. Incomplete. Antonio Brown had the step. Rushing yards in the win over the Jets last week. 3rd and 12. Tannehill Knocked up in the air. Incomplete. Cameron Hayward. How Miami is lining up. We're down to 1:38 to play in this first half. Roethlisberger. Short of a first down. Kachary. Jimmy Wilson with a tackle. As to what they would do deep in their own territory if they don't want to force anything or take any chances. Blocked! McBriar has it blocked. Popped up in the air.
Jimmy Wilson with the block, and the Dolphins recovered.
Jimmy Wilson. 27 seconds to go in the second quarter. Tannehill guns to the sideline. Matthews out of bounds, and he's short of the first down. 22 seconds remain. Did you check Wikipedia before
I played at Three River Stadium. I know all three of them.
52-yard attempt. Caleb Sturgis. No good. Returnable Polamalu. Troy Polamalu throws it backwards on a handoff now. Ike Taylor. This will not be Auburn, Alabama.
But it sure was fun.
On a 3rd and 1 now for Miami. Wallace goes in motion. Tannehill looking in that direction, now looks off. Throws. It's complete to Clay. Charles Clay with another big play for Miami. Out near midfield. So first down for Miami. Take the handoff. Tannehill, a dart. Heartline into Pittsburgh territory. Daniel Thomas, play action. Tannehill throws. It's complete to Heartline. Inside the 20, brought down by William Gay. Tannehill slings it underneath. It's caught by Thomas with a flag down right at the end of the play.
Call personal foul against the Steelers. So this will be first and goal to go half the distance.
Personal foul, defense, number 25, contact to a defenseless player. Result was a catch, half the distance, first and goal.
It's Ryan Clark. Tomlin just looked at the big screen.
Yeah, I'm not so sure that Thomas is a defenseless receiver on this play. He makes the catch and takes 2 steps, and then Taylor comes in, or Clark rather, comes in with the hit. Officially anticipating a personal foul penalty.
First and goal for Miami. Tannehill on a give. Thomas untouched. Touchdown Dolphins. Daniel Thomas back from injury. He adds to the Miami lead to a 3-year, $16 million contract with Cleveland. Didn't make it with the Browns. Dolphins picked him up. Patterson's been effective too. Roethlisberger, play fake. He drops it in the bucket to Miller. Long gain down the field for Pittsburgh, 31 yards. 3 catches, 56 yards for Miller. Roethlisberger, a dart. Antonio Brown. Brown turning on the speed. Antonio Brown takes it all the way. Touchdown Steelers. Indianapolis guys can clinch the division with a win or a Tennessee loss, but they're down against the Bengals. Tannehill throws, intercepted. It's Polamalu. Diving. Polamalu going airborne. Touchdown Steelers. What an effort. An interception this season. Let's take a look.
Takes off from the 3-yard line, gets hit there by Clay, and that's real close to
JB. That would be over very quickly. 3rd and 4. Tannehill sets it up down the sideline. Clay Charles Clay, it's a clean catch. He lost it when he went out of bounds. Cortez Allen.
H-back / fullback. There's the catch, both feet in. Now to the sidelines.
And unless Mike Tomlin wants to throw the red flag, which would not be a wise decision, that play will stand. Give it to Thomas. Daniel Thomas breaking tackles. Whew, got thrown down. On 3rd and 2 now for the Dolphins. Moving pocket. Tannehill looks, fires. Walking the tightrope. Brian Hartline. Incomplete. Ruled incomplete. 2 officials felt that Hartline was out of bounds.
Well, he's got control of the ball all the way to the ground. Ball never moves. Now watch his feet.
Yeah, he got
Left
the toes
toe
down.
drags, the right toe comes down. You just can't do it any better than that. Both the throw on the run by Tannehill and then the catch. This type of play, you see that number 82 and you immediately think.
John Parry's ready to deliver the news.
After reviewing the play, with possession, 2 feet in the end zone, complete control, touchdown.
From the gun. Soft toss. Hauled in by Cotchery. Working from the gun. Rush is coming. Roethlisberger lets it fly. It's complete to Brown. Antonio Brown has got a first down for the Steelers. Brown now with 89 catches on the season. Set it up for Sanders. Catching one. Sanders. Brought down by Clemens. Pittsburgh has worked its way into Miami territory inside the 30. We're down to 1:05 to go in the 3rd. Give it to Bell. Le'Veon Bell's got a lane. Cotchery goes in motion. On 2nd and 10 for Pittsburgh. Roethlisberger throws. Touchdown! It's Cotchery! Steelers take the lead. A 16-yard bullet from Roethlisberger. On 2nd and 8. Tannehill, nice play fake. Tannehill throws the deep ball. Wallace, incomplete. It's broken up by Allen. Just underway here in the 4th. Tannehill, a high throw. Clay breaks the tackle. And Clay has got a first down. Post-game show. 3rd and 3 for Miami. Still early stages, 4th quarter. Tannehill pumps. Tannehill is sacked. Jason Worlds. He has gotten the opportunity this season. Cotchery goes in motion. Roethlisberger to throw it. Roethlisberger steps up. Roethlisberger fires. Miami feels it's incomplete. The officials disagree. Caught by Sanders and a first down for Pittsburgh. But this is considered a must-win situation for the Steelers. 3rd and 4. Roethlisberger incomplete. Sanders slides down. He thought he was held by Nolan Carroll. It's 4th down for the Steelers. Ravens have just taken the lead with 2 minutes to go against Minnesota. Tannehill gets rid of it. Caught by Hartline. Hartline works his way towards the 30. The maturation of Ryan Tannehill in his 2nd year. They're asking Tannehill to go out and help win the game. Daniel Thomas, a long run. Thomas makes a cut upfield. Thomas looking for an angle. Thomas being chased from behind, and William Gay will help save the touchdown. Pouncey and Brenner, key blocks. We've got 3:02 remaining in Pittsburgh. Single setback Thomas. Tannehill gets rid of it. Catch is made by Clay. Clay! How did he do it? Charles Clay breaking free for the touchdown. Allen and Polamalu had a chance to bring him down. Clay is a magician. Miami takes the lead here in the fourth. Steelers trailing by 3. Roethlisberger rifles over the middle. Juggled, incomplete. Emmanuel Sanders. It's fourth down for the Steelers. 2:33 to go. Roethlisberger. Rush coming. Steps up. Roethlisberger. He's going to run for it. Roethlisberger.
Short.
But a flag.
Late hit.
Roethlisberger did not get the 10 yards he needed. Penalty markers
They're
come
going to
down.
get Cody Wallace for the block in the back.
Huge call here.
After the play, personal foul on the 77th offense. It'll be 1st and 10, Miami's football.
Polamalu pressing the line. Sturgis, chip shot. He nails it. Miami takes a 34-28 lead over Pittsburgh with 1:08 left. 5 straight incomplete passes for Ben Roethlisberger. 57 seconds to go. Roethlisberger is sacked. Wake and Vernon combined to bring down Ben Roethlisberger.
And the clock is running, and the Dolphins have the ball in the end zone.
For Pittsburgh, we're down to 27 seconds to go. Roethlisberger shovels it ahead. Le'Veon Bell. Bell remains on his feet. Breaks one tackle. Bell trying to get to the sideline. Lateral for Sanders. And Sanders is brought down at the 21. We're down to 10 seconds left. The clock is rolling.
Dolphins do a great job of taking time off the clock by taking the ball.
It's now 3rd and 16 for Pittsburgh. We're down to 27 seconds to go. Roethlisberger shovels it ahead. Le'Veon Bell. Bell remains on his feet. Breaks one tackle. Bell trying to get to the sideline. Lateral for Sanders. And Sanders is brought down at the 21. We're down to 10 seconds left. The clock is rolling. 5 seconds left. Steelers try to line up. 2 seconds. 1 second. They get the snap off. Desperation time for Pittsburgh. A throw to the outside. Sanders. Play the lateral game here for Pittsburgh. Backward pass. Roethlisberger now running. Shovels out for Brown. Brown's got room. Brown down the sideline. Miami trying to bring him down. Antonio Brown. Incredible.
He's out of bounds at the 13-yard line, Ian.
It's over. He's ruled out of bounds on the far side.
But there's a discussion by the officials. It's over.
Dolphins spilling onto the field.
Runner stepped out of bounds prior to scoring.
There will be no miracle
Game is over.
in Pittsburgh. Antonio Brown, a last-ditch effort by the Steelers. Brown on the sideline.
Right there, great call by the officials, Ian. Left foot clearly out of bounds. What an effort, though, by Brown.
Chris Clemens giving chase. Antonio Brown plants the left foot on the sideline. The Steelers were that close to stealing a win.